Let's go ahead and do a review of Taskade, which lets you chat, organize and get things done using one team-friendly platform. It's alternative to Notion, Trello, and Slack and would be best fit for project managers, solopreneurs, and remote teams looking for an easy way to track projects with coworkers and clients. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Taskade and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $59, and for $59 you'll get 2 workspaces. Unlimited storage limits. Unlimited tasks and projects. Unlimited workspace members. If you go for license tier 2, you'll get 10 workspaces. Unlimited storage limits. Unlimited tasks and projects. Unlimited workspace members. Want to get an extra 10% off AppSumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Taskade helps your remote teams manage projects using collaborative workspaces and built-in video and messaging tools across platforms. Taskade lets you break every project down into smaller tasks that you can organize and track in just one workspace. Your departments and teams can share to-do lists, manage tasks, and organize notes in dedicated folders. Whether you're looping in teammates or guests, you can invite collaborators to projects, folders, or workspaces with a shareable link and even embed projects right on your website. You'll also be able to grant different permissions for team members and control who can view, check, or edit documents within your workspace. In Taskade, each project is a living document where your entire team can brainstorm and assign tasks in real time or asynchronously. Select your favorite project view, like a mind map, Kanban board, or calendar, to visualize each project from the jump. Not sure where to start? You can choose from hundreds of templates to jumpstart a productive workflow that fits your team. And if you already have a solid project framework in your back pocket, it's a cinch to save a custom template for future use. Taskade lets you create unlimited tasks and subtasks, which can be displayed as bullet points, arrows, or checkboxes. Rather than hard and fast dates, you're able to set flexible due dates and automate recurring deadlines for ongoing tasks. Say goodbye to the back and forth by using timers, comments, link embeds, and emoji reactions on any task right from the platform. Sync everything with your Google or iCloud calendars and set reminders across devices so nothing falls through the cracks. You can even enable real-time, two-way syncing with your Google Calendar, so your clients can know when you're working on key projects. Connect with your team using built-in communication tools, so you're not toggling between apps for daily stand-ups or impromptu calls. Send text chats, launch virtual meetings, and screen share with one click, all within the same window as your project space. You can upload files into the chat and comments right from your computer, or integrate with Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box. Best of all, Taskade automatically syncs your work across platforms and devices in real time, making remote collaboration totally seamless. Getting a hold of your remote team can feel like trying to talk to a human agent via customer service inbox. Taskade lets you manage multiple projects with a stacked toolbox built to help remote teams work better together. Make every project feel like a home run. Get lifetime access to Taskade today.